Let's pick a big order from Canada. Time to see which set you like best. My husband wants thank you all for loving his designs. You guys' support means a lot to us. This sweetie picked 5 sets. The first is Strawberry and Bunny. Very fairy tale. The second one is Sandy Cherry. My husband is now working on a strawberry version. The third one is an old friend, Bunny in the Palace. The fourth and fifth may be new to you guys. They are bursting blueberries and legends of the moon. Both are in blue but give off different vibes. We also have some surprise small gifts for her. Hope she will like it. Don't worry, flowers, all nails are kept in boxes and well wrapped to prevent hooking during shipping. And each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. We also have an instruction menu in every package. Hope our cute creation will bring everyone a smile.